This is an application from Google and it's free to use. If you're a designer willing to arrange your files and resources in a professional manner and also create mini portfolio you can send to your clients till you up your game, then this application is best for you. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about this application and how you can best make use of it. So let's get started. So here is the application. The application is called Google Drive. So once you select it, and here is the interface. If you are a designer, this video would always help. So you make sure you stick around to watch this video. So let me quickly explain the interface. So right here you have the home page, we have the steered, we have the share, and we have the file. So the home page is just like your history. Everything you've done, including your shared, your anything you've uploaded on your drive, so you have access to it. And also you must always be signed in, I mean. So to sign in, you just click on this option and use any of your Google accounts. So, and here is mine. So the home page is just everything you've done on Google Drive. It's just like an history. So the next page is the steered page, and the steered page is like your favorite. If you have tons of files right here, you can see you have tons of files right here, so you can easily come to the three dots beside each file. So once you select it, they can add to start. So once it is added to start, you can easily access it right there. So here is the file, you can easily access it from here. The next option we have is the share. So everything you've received, any link you've gotten from your fellow designers, all the resources will be down here. So this is your share button, and your file is everything that you personally upload on your Google Drive. Option, once you select it, you can see some various tools right here. So the trash option is used to, you can use it to recover some things you've lost in the last 30 days. Okay, so and the next option is your backup. So you want to make use of this, make sure you always back up your files so that you don't lose them when you change your phone on anything. So, and you also want to check some of these settings and all that. So you want to make sure you share it. So quickly to the video, any page you are at all, you will see this plus option. So if you scroll up, it will disappear, and if you come down here, you can see it. Okay, so once you click on it, so here is it. You have the option to upload as folder, you have the option to upload as a normal image. So if you are a designer or you sell a course or anything like that, it is advisable you upload as folder so that you can properly arrange those files. You can arrange your flyers, and also you can use it as a portfolio to your client. You can send your Google Drive link to your client. So I will show you everything in this video. So you want to simply click on upload. It will be uploaded just like this image, and it is not well organized, so you don't want that. So I'll just come to the plus option. I'll click on folder. I want to just give this a name, anything at all. I'll just give it drive. So once you create a folder, this person icon, this image beside the folder, and this new one we created does not have it. The reason is because this one you are giving access to the link. So if you click on this link, you will access the resources, but to this file, only people you add to the file can access it. So if you want to change the settings, you want to come to this three dot option, and you can see some tools. So let me quickly explain some tools right here. You can share. So this is where you can add people that you want to access your link. So if you are a course creator, you can always use this method. Share your link to your students, and they have access to it by you granting them, so that every people that has access to the link cannot use it unless you grant them the access. So you have the option to rename, you have the option to change color, move and all that. So to this, you should see an option to also download. So to this file now, you should have an option to download. So this option is not visible right here, so I made a video, it's shown on the screen right here. You can click on it, and there's also in the description box. You can go check it out on how to enable the download option. So that's not where I'm going, so I'll just come to this manage access. If you want to grant everyone the access to your link, you come to restriction and you change it so only people added can open. So that's what I told you in the first place. Once you copy the link, only people you add, and you want to change it to anyone with the link. So once you select anyone with the link, it will update, and you can see right here, so the human icon is now enabled. So once you share this link to anyone, once you click on copy link and you share it to anyone, everybody will be able to have access to it. But if you are encrypting it, you can always come to manage access and you change it to restricted. So, and that's how you go about it. So you can also create multiple folders inside a particular folder if you use it as a portfolio. If you are using your folder as a portfolio, so once you click on your main folder, you have the option, this plus icon. Also, you can create a multiple folder within the main Google Drive tutorial file folder. So you can create multiple folder, and if you are using that as a portfolio, you can create a folder for your social media design, your Christmas design, your YouTube thumbnail and all that, depending on anything you are doing at all. So to upload, you just simply click on this upload option, and it should take you to any of your file, and you access it, and it is upload right here. So you can create a folder and give it a name, then you create, and here's it. So you can see this is well organized, and rather than creating it, so if you are sending design to your client, you want to use this method. So if you are sending a short flyer based on your client's request, you don't send all your Google Drive, you don't send all this main link. You, instead of sending this main link, you want to select this particular folder and copy the link and share to your client. If you found this video very helpful, let me know in the comment section, and subscribe for more valuable content like this, and I would love to see you.